I'm Chef Lala, and I'm going to teach you how to cook a boneless beef roast. A boneless roast, which is inexpensive, it can be tenderloin, sirloin tip roast, eye of round roast, or a ribeye. Usually it's marbled with fat throughout, which makes it very tender and hearty. All my vitamins, and then I'm going to have some vegetables afterwards to serve with my roast, and then some potatoes. I like to use the red ones, and some onion. And now you can add some root vegetables. There's never any rules with recipes. You can add whatever you like or subtract it. It's just a recommendation from a chef. A bit of onion. Okay, here we go. Mix it all up. We don't want to add any water to the bottom of this because this is going to be nice and juicy enough. I'm going to take my roast and I'm going to season it with a little bit of oil. I'm using some flavored oil, chipotle, salt, pepper, Mexican oregano. I'm going to rough chop some garlic. Kind of rub all that stuff in there on both sides. Nice and delicious, yummy stuff. I want to put it fat side up on an open roaster. You don't want to add water. You want to start the oven at 425 for 10 minutes. Then you want to lower it for 325. It's about 20 minutes for rare per pound and 30 minutes for medium. Once the roast was done, I let it stand 15 minutes before I start to cut it. See how I said not to add any water? There's plenty of juices there. If you'd like, you can get a little cornstarch to thicken it, take the vegetables out, thicken it, you have a nice little sauce. So what we want to do is cut it. We're going to place it on the platter. And surround it with our vegetables. Pour some of this wonderful juice on top. I'm Chef Lala. I hope you enjoyed how to cook a boneless beef roast.